guys, my name's Destiny. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this cat eye inspired look for Halloween. With that being said, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. First, I'm going to go ahead and use this Mario Badescu setting spray. Gotta freshen up. I'm just going to go ahead and take this Nightingale palette from Pretty Vulgar. And then I'm going to go ahead and use the Hide and Seek shadow. This is literally like the simplest look ever. And I don't really wear eyeshadow, but this time I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Okay, so once I use the Hide and Seek color, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this Break Free. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Blacklight priming filter. I like my skin to be really glowy most of the time, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add it all over my face. Okay, then after we get that done, I'm gonna go ahead and use my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I am in the color Syracuse. Now that we got the foundation down, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this ColourPop No Filter concealer. And I'm gonna go ahead and take my beauty blender again. Now that we got that down, I'm gonna go ahead and contour. I'm gonna go ahead and use this Fenty Beauty matchstick. I'm using the color Truffle. So I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my face. Now that I contoured, I'm just gonna go ahead and brush it out. I've been using this brush for a very long time, and I don't think that I'm going to buy another brush because literally I love it. After that, I'm gonna go ahead back into the Nightingale palette, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and use Break Free again. Go ahead and put it underneath. Now that we got that done, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my brows real quick. I don't really fill in my brows with anything, so I'm just gonna go ahead and brush them up, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put some brow gel on them from Glossier Boy Brow. I'm using the color Black. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and use this black eyeliner from NYX, and I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in my nose. Make a cute little heart on your nose. Okay, so now that your little nose is done, just go ahead and add 3 dots. Put your 3 lines now. Okay, so after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and add the eyeliner underneath my eyelid. After that, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw on some mascara. Put it on your bottom lashes now. Now that we got the mascara, it's time to throw on some lashes. So these lashes I'm using, they're from Lash Pop, and they're called Send Nudes. Okay, so now that we threw on the lashes, I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit highlighter. Add it to my forehead just to give it that glow, to your cheeks, to your nose as well. Before we throw on the lipstick, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my Mario Badescu spray again, just so I can hydrate my face a little bit. And then now I'm just gonna go ahead and take this Black Velvet matte lipstick from Lime Crime and throw it on. Okay, and that's it. So now that we're done with the finished look, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys these ears that I have. You can get these at any Halloween store. These are really cute. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys these cat eyeglasses that you can also wear during Halloween. Guys, so that's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple Halloween look. If you like this look, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.